How much mango we got so far? 5? So
We'll
2.
go pick one more mango.
Alright, so we're going to try to find the other flatty tree.
We'll go find the flatty tree. We'll go pass that to me.
Hmm?
We'll go pass. Yeah, one kid.
Okay guys, welcome to part 2 of a 2-part program. Thank you for watching part 1 and please enjoy part 2 with us.
Chris, why you pushing the baby? Alright, put it on. Give me it. Go on. Hush. Oh, see the road here. See the road here.
You find my mango?
Come. Where are the boy? So the flatty tree, they're beside the apple tree. Because I don't come a bush. I may I did the bush person. Okay, see it there? I don't know hit. No, the tree. That tree that look like flatty tree? Yes, I hit.
I hit the two. We have one stone to get.
Eh?
We have one stone to get.
You have stone?
Yes.
They look like the flatty tree, so.
Quick. We don't get to see.
Hey.
One.
Yes, is it? Or is not it?
Yes, I hit.
I hit?
Yes. It's always the apple tree.
Eh, the apple tree is supposed to be nearby.
Apple tree.
No, we are looking for the flatty tree.
But the tree.
But
Can
this.
you coconut tree wrong?
Let me go a little closer to see if it is the tree. But I know that the apple tree is supposed to be nearby. No, is it? Yes, it's it. Yeah, so we used to come down here and pick up mango. But the
mango there.
where?
The right one.
Where?
Up in that tree.
You see right mango?
Yeah?
Ah,
The
so.
right one then.
One next tree that beside it, you know. With ripe mango. A whole drop.
Me? And it's right
So, wow! One nice one. Chris, let me see it. Wow, flatty. Come, say, put it in the bag, Chris.
Come here. We find our mango.
Yeah, let me see. You have to check. Make sister check it to see if a mango good.
Look here. Look at this.
No, that not good. That not good, baby. So the birds them I eat off it. Jackfruit. What have you got, green lizard? Oh my God! I went there. Christopher, move over beside the lizard.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Mango.
yeah, come on and pick up the flatty them.
Can't find mango.
See mango here, baby. Mango is all over the place. Put them in the bag. Show me them. Show me them. Yeah.
Dad,
Eh?
this all right one up there.
How we gonna pick them? Are we stone it?
Look, let's find this. The apple tree. One.
Where is the apple tree?
No.
You see it?
The apple tree.
Where?
Not this.
Or a pimento tree that. My apple tree they there nearby, man. We always go pick apple. And is what? Our. No, I only green lizard over there. So I never see green lizard big so yet. Watch him.
Guys, we unexpectedly saw this huge green lizard
One drop.
while we were searching for mangoes.
Woo, pretty. So now him they make me scream. You never remember when me scream? Come on, full up the mango bag. Mango.
Mango.
Woo. But there's a lot on the ground, you know, it's just to see which one is.
Let me find my mango.
No, that not good, baby. That not good.
Mommy, one more drop.
No man a drop a Chris fling.
Chris, excuse me, that's just the one.
He see him. He see him. Oh, sour sop. Then sour sop here already?
What do you think? I'm not doing what it is. Mom, Find the mango up in the house.
And jackfruit. The jackfruit they look ripe.
I'm not afraid that is a buffer. You see that there, Mrs. Marcus?
That is that big man.
Plant two little mango.
Then good? Oh.
They may not turn around. Let me know flatty. Let me know flatty.
Oh, wow. I want different type of flatty. It's flat, you know, look at it.
You're rotted.
It's flat, but I want to say a while ago.
You find my mango, you're rotted.
Oh, good. All right, we get as much mango now.
Yeah, you'll find two. Guys, put in our bag.
I think we get as much mango.
You can start your paw for me.
Hey?
This one another?
But this have enough on it, you know. This tree here. This flatty tree.
Yeah, what now?
Yeah, because we full the bag. We not full the bag.
Yeah, we full bag, man.
Eh?
We full the bag already.
So it's a nice ripe one up in the tree.
Let's try something else.
Let me try and fling and pick that one there. See lizard over there, say no, Chris.
Just so that friend.
Hold this.
I'm go up already. If you see them,
That lizard the big bad.
first me I see one like that.
Let me try and pick it.
Mommy!
Who pick it?
Chris!
But this good. The one here good.
Mommy, not scared. Look. We got this. Yeah, to do mango. Mommy, baby,
Where mango there? Show me. The one here?
We can't reach that one day. I'm gonna reach that mango there. No.
Move, Chris.
This one, but
Chris, catch it now.
let me catch it.
For you. So we get a lot of mango. Hold up the mangoes. We got a lot of mangoes in the mango bush. Come, we're ready to go home now. It's only a pity I don't remember where the apple tree is. But I know so the apple tree is nearby. When the because I wonder where the whole heap of people you come from. I come in and live in space. Who is crying? What you want? Tell me. You want a mango? Give him a mango for me. Give him a mango. Beautiful. All right. I can't even make it. Oh my God. Platino. Oh no, come. One, ready?
I forgot power on big hill now. I forgot power on big hill now. But I want to come to the mango from me.
Come carry mango, Chris. Come carry
share the mango.
Here.
Here, give me mango. One minute past that, yes, not that one here. This is for sweet.
Oh, real mango bush, guys. Went to get some mangoes and eating. I'm tired.
Hey, but a big hill we are going now.
Eh?
Big hill we are going.
I can't make it. I can't make it. You have to go and leave me. Yeah, man. Now dry wipe on man. The banana. I'm so bad me.
Was me go down so we're down there.
Oh, look when we go down, it was so easy.
Just hill we are go off.
Coming up back. Hard. Yeah, drop it. Where do shake the tree? When you shake them, then drop quicker. Pick as much for me. Pick as much.
What? You know. Yeah, which one, right? Sorry, yeah.
So pick it?
I want to lay down for drop down.
Okay. So you have to set the leather that way, that's in a drop. You gotta drop them now? Pick up a chair them for me, boy. See them a drop. See one
Guys, I do hope that you enjoy this video. Right now, Chris is in the cherry tree. He's picking some cherry for us. And we have made it up safely. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Wali ma kuno na rin.